Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet. Welcome here. And this was a requested video for one of my subscribers to make a little newborn baby's keychain she wants to give as a present for her baby. So before we start the video, please subscribe and push the bell button because I don't really have the date that I post my video, so you can get notification, and all my social medias are up there. And if you're looking for a video, just go to my list of videos and you can find then old good ones, new ones, and Portuguese and English for you. So we can start. We're gonna start with a little bow and we're gonna make a long teardrop shape. I'm not gonna worry about the body of the baby. We're just gonna go up and down to separate the face of the baby and the body. The body is gonna be wrapped on the blanket, so you don't need to worry about. We wanna make a very cute, like, you know, baby shower favor, or if you go to the hospital, you get visits, you want to give us a present. So it needs to be simple, cute, and easy to make. So we're gonna separate the face right there and not worry at all about the body. And now we're gonna just make an indentation on each side. You don't need to be scared. I know that's not a mold, but you can do it. It's kind of simple, and the babies are normally when they are newborns, the difference that their nose looks so big for their face, so you can make a nose that a little bigger than normal. Now we have the indentation, and we're gonna make a line on the bottom like he has his eyes closed, because you don't want to give all the details on the eye area either, because it needs to be something that you're gonna make a bunch of them, so you need to be fast. And now I'm just creating an indentation going up to make the nose a bone and to give a little bit more of the 3D shape on the eyes and the face. And now I'm just making a little line and push the dough a little up to make the nose. And now I'm pushing back to the sides. So the nose, you're gonna need a little bit bigger than you normally would do for a model, because the babies, they are so small and normally they didn't grow up to their nose yet. So one of the big things that you see in newborn babies are that big nose. So that's why we're gonna do that, and we're gonna shape the bottom and the sides. And now we're just gonna make like a C upside down for the mouth, like he has his mouth closed, you know, the little baby face. If you want to just make one and then make a silicone mold and copy them, it's fine. You can also find silicone molds that are babies, but she requested like a baby with a face and in a blanket, so I wanted to show, because every time that you talk about babies, my heart melts and I want to help. So we make a little roll and we flatten out, and now we're gonna just, you know, roll back together, and that's a pretty easy baby flower. Then we're gonna set it aside. And now we're gonna open a circle in pink, like just big enough to cover the head. So I'm just gonna flatten out a little bit on my table, and now we're gonna hide the whole head. Since we're making a really newborn baby and you don't want to need to give the details if you're making a bunch of them with hair, nothing better than just put it like that, the blank or the little, you know, hat that they get in the hospital. You can even light up, make blue and white, because normally that's how they are. And I'm gonna make a little hole right there to place the little flower we did. I'm making a little girl, so of course if you want to make a little boy, you can just, you know, switch the colors and don't put the little rose. And now we're gonna make a long row, and we're gonna flatten it out, and we're just gonna wrap the baby just like we're wrapping a newborn. Since we don't want to worry about the body, hands, legs, and proportions and all the crazy things that involved when you're making a body, we're just gonna like place that halfway, cut the excess just for you to start folding it. So you fold one side in, and you're gonna go wrapping that baby up. I'm gonna wrap that to the back, and with the excess, I'm just gonna mush it up again and make another roll and flatten out to make another, you know, another blanket piece. So it looks more full of details, even though you didn't do that much. And now we're gonna place around the baby again. And it's pretty much done. You can give his cheeks a little pink. I'm gonna make polka dots on the blanket, but that's it. You can just place the little keychain hole or a little paper with the date and the baby was born or the day of the baby shower, and you can make as many as you want because it's fast and it's not that hard, and you can give as a present. I hope you guys like that. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and give me a little like. It's very fast and really helps me, and you can go down a little bit more and show more. You're gonna see all the information that I write down, why I'm doing this video, all the materials, where you can find the tools, my social media, everything is there. And leave me a comment below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.